What up, this is Alex from Prestige Window Tinting, and I'm gonna show you how to remove the third brake light on a 2022 CLA45 AMG. So we're doing the window tinting on this back window, and we need to remove the third brake light. So we cover the whole area on the back glass, and we don't have to do the cutout on this light. So this is really easy to do. So all you gotta do is put your hook right here, pull it out on both sides, and then the light should come off. And then use your same tool and remove the plug from the light, which is right there, and that's it. Super easy process to remove the third brake light on these Mercedes-Benz CLA45 AMG. Thank you for watching.